Hi guys, I'm sure you've been waiting a lot for this video. Today we will make one of the famous fidgets. Write in the comments if you are interested and we will definitely make other cool fidgets. For today's fidget, we need paper, tape, small scissors, markers, and marbles. First, we cut a rectangle 6 inch on 2 inch out of paper. Then, we fold it in half and draw 4 balls a little smaller than the marbles. Make sure it's along the contour. Now we glue our strip with adhesive tape. Glue it on one side and cut through our gaps with small scissors. It remains to glue the second side. Put marbles in an envelope and seal the top of the envelope. That's all! The fashionable fidget is ready. Now you have a great fidget and anti-stress toy. Write in the comments which anti-stress toys you have at home and which ones you would like to make with us. Subscribe to the channel, share videos with your friends. Let's learn how to make cool crafts together. Join the Jolly Battle community on social media. Let's be friends, and until next time!